Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with materials and a clear pattern. This matters because paper weight controls structure. First, score fold lines lightly with the dull blade and ruler to prevent tearing. Once scored, fold the body panels inward, keeping creases crisp. Use your thumbnail to burnish. Make tabs 0. 5 cm wide for glue. Apply a thin bead of PVA, not a glob, and press for 30 seconds. Let seams set under a small weight while you cut head pieces to shape. You now strengthen the core. Once the body tube is dry, insert 1 mm cardboard strips at seam edges to prevent collapse. Then, construct the head by aligning the 6 panels at their center. Pinching the join before adhesive sets ensures symmetry. Make limb tubes by rolling paper tightly around a 8-12 mm dowel. Release and glue the edge. Once glued, trim ends squarely. Make sure to test fit limbs into body openings before final adhesive cures. You complete the piece by sealing and decorating for durability. Lightly sand edges and apply a diluted PVA sealer to prevent moisture swelling. Once dry, paint with thin acrylic layers. Multiple light coats beat one thick coat. Attach accessories using small tabs glued from the inside. If seams peel or corners soften, re-glue using a needle-applied thin adhesive and add a thin paper patch inside. This reinforces without bulking. If shapes warp.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.